Hello, welcome back to Wealth Seedling. My name is Adefemi. In the last video, we worked on your mindset. We prepared the soil. But let me be honest with you. A perfect mindset with no action will still leave you broke. This is where most people get stuck. They wait, they delay, they tell themselves they will start when they have more, and that moment never comes. Because wealth does not begin with more money. It begins with a decision to plant even when it feels small. So today, we stop waiting. Today, we plant. Whether you have $10, $50, or $100, I will show you exactly where it should go. If all you have is $10, this is not about making money yet. This is about changing who you are. Because the truth is, if you cannot manage $10, you will struggle with $1,000. So place that $10 into a high-yield savings account. It may feel small, almost insignificant, but this is where everything begins. You are telling your mind, I am someone who saves. You are building the irrigation system of your financial life. And once that system is in place, growth becomes easier. Make it automatic. Let it happen every month. Because consistency quietly builds what motivation never can. But saving alone will not grow your wealth. At some point, you must grow yourself. With $50, we take a different step. Now you are investing in the person holding the money. Use it to buy a strong financial book or a foundational course. Because many people lose money, not because they lack it, but because they do not understand it. Knowledge acts like fertilizer. It sharpens your decisions. It protects you from costly mistakes. The right $50 today can save you hundreds tomorrow and position you for thousands later. A seed grows better in the hands of someone who understands the seasons. And now, this is where things begin to shift. With $100, your money can begin to work. Now you step into a wider field. You can start with a low-cost index fund or an ETF. Think of it as a balanced garden. You're not relying on one plant to survive. You're spreading your growth across many. This is how beginners invest with confidence, and this is where you begin to experience something powerful, growth that happens quietly in the background. This is where your money starts learning how to grow without you. The size of your seed is not the problem. Waiting is. A $10 seed planted today will always outperform $1,000 that never leaves your account. Time rewards action, not intention. Now tell me, which seed are you planting this week? $10, $50, or $100? Write planted in the comments once you've taken that step, because the moment you act, you stop being a watcher and you become a builder. In the next part, we will talk about watering. How to keep your money growing even when life feels uncertain. This is Wealth Seedling. Start where you are. Grow what you have.